Good morning, everyone. I'm Reeds Asman Pantay, and I am here in front of you to present my speech entitled The Educated. Ladies and gentlemen, respected faculty, and my fellow participants, what is an educated man? Is he the one who has read countless books and earned many degrees? In the Philippines, we, the Filipinos, often equate education with academic achievements or the numbers of medals and diplomas on the walls. But the true meaning of being an educated runs much deeper. The educated man, as envisioned by our own Filipino hero, Senator Robito Salonga, they are not judged by their ability to memorize facts or collect certificates. Rather, they read rigorously and discriminates between what uplifts our mind and what fools it. They choose knowledge that encourage and inspire, not just information that entertain or distracts. More importantly, the educated mind in our country are the one who open the windows of their mind to the great thoughts and the ennobling ideas. They are not imprisoned by the printed pages, but rigorously analyzes and evaluates all that they have learned. And they chooses knowledge. They're not imprisoned by the printed pages, and they are not imprisoned by the printed pages, but rigorously analyzes and evaluates all that they have learned. Their interest lies not mere in the accumulation of degrees, but in the cultivation of values and generous spirits. In the Philippines today, where our society faces many challenges and our nations continuously striving for the progress, the educated man understands his role. And the role is not just to make a living, but to live a meaningful life. They embody compassion, fairness, and humility. And they respect the inherent dignity of our own Filipino people, regardless of their gender, race, social status, and background. And the educated man does not blindly accept the authority. He humbly acknowledges his own imperfections and always willing to learn. He discerns on what is right and defends it with all his heart. Above all, they are the one who actively participates in building a better Philippines and support and share his fellow Filipinos. From the heroism of Lapu-Lapu to the current modern day leaders. Let's continue that legacy, and may we all strive. Let's continue that legacy, not by merely accumulating degrees, but by applying it for the welfare of the better Philippines and to the honor of our nations. Ladies and gentlemen, may we all strive to be such educated women and men. Who are thoughtful, compassionate, and deciding, for in our hands lies the future of the